once we understand something, we learn something, then the big phrase I love to tell all of our clients is, what's your action step? What's your takeaway? Now that you've learned this, what are you going to do differently? In my case, and I'm just giving the example around working, I learned for myself, once I understood that, I had that self-awareness, I learned that when my children were small, working part-time was a good fit for me. So that was my takeaway. All right. That was my takeaway once I understood this. If you are doing something that is against your moral compass, that's something that is illegal, that you know is really not your radar is kind of going off in your head, then what are you going to do differently? I love the quote. I think it's Maya Angelou that said, once you know different, you do different. So once you know something and you know it's not right, my encouragement is you stop and you do something different. We all make mistakes. All of us make mistakes. All of us do things going, I should not have done that. Stop. Don't beat yourself up. Don't kind of be super tough on yourself. Stop, pause, learn, do something different, course correct. We can all start a new day, a new chapter, and make better choices. And